ready to drive my ice cream truck. Okay, this is my first stop. Let's see who my customer is going to be today. Hi. Time to see who my customer is going to be. Okay, gotta ring the bell. Ding, ding. Hi, how may I take your order? I would like, a popsicle, please. What flavor? Cotton candy, okay? Cotton candy it is. That would be $10. Here you go. Thank you. Have a nice day. Time to sit down at the bench right here and eat. Popsicle is delicious. Okay, I got 10 bucks. Time to put it in my money area. Down here. Put it in. Okay. Put it in. See, I have to make 2 more customers here at this stop and then go to another spot. Is that a loud bang? Okay. Hi, how may I take it? Wait, first ding. Hi, how may I take your order? I would like, an ice cream, please. A donut, please. 2 donuts. 1 blueberry flavor and cherry. Okay. I have to get my tweezers. Okay. Close this. Okay. Okay. Just pick your donut up. 1. Would you like a tray, please? Would you like a tray? Yes, please. Okay. Tray coming right up. Oh, God. No. Okay, I'll get your trays right now. Down here. Would you like a big or a small one? Small one, please. Because I want ice cream too, okay? Have your tray. Nice to have trays. Okay. Time for the donut. 1 donut and another one. Pink one. And you said you would like ice cream flavors? Yes. What flavor would you like? I would like, chocolate. Okay, chocolate flavor it is. Just gotta put the tray down for a second. Okay, chocolate flavor. That's bad. We got you a new one. Okay, anyways. Have the tray. Put it on. And what spoon would you like? I like the big red one, okay? And that would be... Okay, wait. First, put these down. Tray. How much? Wait. Okay, that would be $20. Okay, here you go. Thank you.